Am I the only one that didn't know these strategies could transform Tanzanian businesses? Let's explore. All right, Tanzanian entrepreneurs, here are the top 10 marketing tips to boost your business in 2024. First up, local SEO optimization. Make sure your business is easily found online when locals search. Next, social media marketing. Engage with your audience on platforms like Instagram and Facebook. It's a game changer. Don't forget mobile marketing. Most Tanzanians are on mobile, so tailor your ads for smaller screens. Content making is key. Offer valuable information to attract and retain customers. Influencer collaboration can amplify your reach. Team up with local influencers to build trust. Video marketing is booming. Create engaging videos to capture attention. Email marketing keeps your audience updated and loyal. Use data-driven marketing to understand and target your customers better. E-commerce integration makes shopping convenient and boosts sales. Lastly, prioritize customer engagement and support. Happy customers mean repeat business. There you have it, 10 strategies to elevate your business in 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments. Let's make this year the best one yet.